Getting you all the updates from Bihar and also from Hathras. First up, some breaking news coming in. LJP not to contest the upcoming elections in Bihar in alliance with the JDU due to ideological differences, says at the national level, however, LJP continues to share a strong alliance with the BJP. Let me go across to my colleague Shyam Sundar joining me live on this big development. So Shyam, this is a big political development we're tracking at this hour right ahead of the Bihar elections. LJP, I beg your pardon, has decided to sever ties with the JDU. So clearly now the JDU and LJP are not going to be contesting elections together. What would be its immediate ramifications, and how does BJP figure in all of this in terms of the NDA alliance that the LJP is in?
Well, Afrida, it could be clearly said that there has been a split in the NDA here in Bihar, with the LJP deciding now to contest alone the upcoming Bihar assembly polls. But what is interesting is that the LJP has made it clear that they would be putting up candidates against the JDU and not against the BJP. And if you look at the press release of the LJP, it clearly says that after the elections, the LJP MLAs or the LJP party as such will be supporting the BJP here in Bihar. And more interestingly, they have also said that they would be forming a government under the leadership of BJP. Now, on one hand, you have the LJP and on the one hand, you have the JDU and the BJP contesting together here in Bihar, the LJP putting up candidates against the JDU. But at the same time, the LJP clearly saying that after elections, they will be forming the government with the BJP here. So, interestingly, it would be interesting to look after as to how the permutations and combinations are formed after the elections, after the polls, because interestingly, the BJP is not saying a single word. Neither has BJP gone out an extra mile to reach out to Chirag and tell him that no, you should come with the NDA. All the differences need to be sorted out. Even in the past, all differences have been sorted out between different political parties. But right. What kind of alliance is this? On one hand, Ramvilas Paswan is very much part of the NDA. He is in the union cabinet. Whereas in Bihar, certainly with the BJP and the JDU together, yes, Chirag Paswan obviously will be hitting out at the policies of Nitish Kumar. He will be taking a tough stand against Nitish Kumar. He will be criticizing the governance of Nitish Kumar. And on the other hand, the BJP would be defending it. So certainly the ramifications could be seen that it could either damage the BJP and the JDU as here in Bihar, or it would be interesting to see as to how the LJP fares here, because certainly the opposition now has started questioning the BJP, the LJP and the JDU. Opposition even clearly saying that this is a plot of the BJP to corner Nitish Kumar, because certainly one thing is clear, that after the polls get over, if the BJP manages to get even 2 or 3 seats more than the JDU, then certainly the BJP will be putting pressure on Nitish Kumar for the Chief Minister's post here in Bihar. And interestingly, Chirag Paswan might play an important role during that time if he manages to win 5 or 10 seats here in Bihar.
Absolutely. Politics hots up, and this really is a big development. It changes a lot of dynamics, and too close to call. Election starting on the 28th of October in Bihar, right ahead of voting. LJP decides to quit the alliance with the JDU, in a way quitting the NDA in Bihar. But then, of course, again, in the same breath, talking about how the alliance with NDA is strong at the center. So there's a lot of dichotomy there. We'll leave it at that. Shyam, thanks for joining us with your inputs on the big story.